let's create this liquid extrusion effect that I have seen on a few product promotional videos in seconds. The first thing that we need is a plane. We change the transform to local so we can move it more easily. We add two keys for full animation. Then we add a vertex weight proximity modifier. And before we can add anything else, we need to create a vertex group. We select all the vertices and assign a weight of 1. Choose the vertex group that we just created inside the modifier, and the target is our plane. In the weight pane tab, we can view the behavior. Change the highest point to point 1. Then we need to change the proximity method to geometry and select face. Now we need a cloud modifier and go to the physics tab. We will increase the quality and select our vertex group as the pin for that, decreasing the stiffness. We need a smooth ablation modifier to make the animation smoother. And finally, some geometry nodes. First, an extrude mesh node and decrease the offset to make it look like it ate an entire power supply for Thanksgiving. Second, a name attribute node and select the vertex group. Third, a subtract node subtracting 1 minus the attribute and connect it to the selection. If we move our timeline, you will see the effect. But how can we change the color? We add a set material node and create and assign a new material to it. And that's how our liquid extrusion turned out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget your hammer.